you'll find yourself using this kind of process to doing almost everything in the business. Everything about the business, you'll start using data and planning process like this to drive assumptions. And I hope that more dealers would do it, especially with this platform, because we didn't have this kind of information for the sales, for the traffic log, or for the digital side. And now I look at this and say, we need the exact same thing in the traffic log side. So hopefully someday we can add that to
physical traffic log projections like this. Yeah, because we used to do all this by hand, right? You'd say, okay, you want to sell 100 bikes this month? What's your delivery rate? 100 divided by 10%. Okay, you need 1,000 greets. How many people do you need? Right? We did all that mechanically, and now it's spreadsheeted quite easily. So it's exciting. Aaron, you got something? You always got something. What do you got?
It's to what Scott just said. I think going over this last hour, and thanks everybody that joined, and would love to work. Jason, I would love to work with you. Our team's readily available to help you with this process. But I think if you look at this from a 30,000 foot view in this discussion, it really supports why today in the business, it's so important to differentiate your digital doorway versus your actual your physical doorway.